In a groundbreaking development for space logistics, Rocket Lab has announced plans to demonstrate the reusability of their upcoming Neutron rocket through a revolutionary return-to-Earth mission. This milestone event, scheduled for no earlier than 2026, marks a significant advancement in point-to-point cargo transportation capabilities that could transform how we move payloads across our planet. The ambitious mission comes as part of a newly announced contract with the U.S. Air Force Research Laboratory, specifically under their Rocket Experimentation for Global Agile Logistics program, known as REGAL. This initiative aligns perfectly with the Department of Defense's strategic goal to establish rapid point-to-point cargo transportation using orbital-class rockets, essentially creating a space-based express delivery system for critical payloads. Rocket Lab's CEO, Sir Peter Beck, emphasized the significance of this development during the company's first quarter earnings call, stating, "Since the mission is all about bringing things back to Earth, BayFRL will fly on a return-to-Earth Neutron no later than 2026. Beck highlighted that rocket reusability represents a critical advancement in space technology that has strong support from the Department of Defense, which is precisely why the Neutron has been designed from the ground up for reuse and frequent missions. The Neutron rocket is currently progressing through various stages of qualification and assembly as it prepares for its planned debut in the second half of 2025. Recent developments include the activation of the water deluge system at Launch Complex 3 at the Mid-Atlantic Regional Spaceport, located at NASA's Wallops Flight Facility in Virginia. According to Beck, the rocket's second stage qualification is already complete, while the first stage is still undergoing testing. The second stage is currently in final assembly and will soon be shipped to the launch site for integration with its engine. What makes the Neutron particularly impressive is its innovative design approach. The second stage is one of the more novel pieces of Neutron, so it was important that we retired that one first, Beck explained. This strategy provided additional benefits since the structure of Stage 2 is largely similar to Stage 1, allowing the team to mitigate potential risks through their staged qualification process. The REGAL program, also referred to as the Rocket Cargo Program, represents a significant shift in military logistics. Designated as a vanguard program by the Department of the Air Force in 2021, it aims to rapidly advance emerging weapons systems and warfighting concepts through prototyping and experimentation. The program's fundamental motivation stems from the military's need for rapid logistics to project power effectively. As former Air Force Materiel Command Commander General Arnold W. Bunch Jr. stated, "Rapid logistics underpins our ability to project power. We see its initial applications in swiftly restoring operational capability for forces forward in austere environments, as well as dramatically reducing the time required to deliver crucial humanitarian assistance and disaster relief." Rocket Lab isn't the only company working on this revolutionary approach to cargo transport. In October 2024, Sierra Space secured a contract with the REGAL program to scale up their Ghost decelerator spacecraft, aiming to increase its capacity from 150 kilograms to an impressive 5 or 10 metric tons. The Sierra Space Ghost system promises to unlock scalable point-to-point logistics, potentially transforming how high-value materials are transported to disrupted areas exactly when and where they're needed most. To support these ambitious plans, the Air Force is making tangible preparations. In March 2025, they issued a notice of intent to prepare environmental assessments for the construction and operation of 2 landing pads at Johnston Atoll. These facilities would support up to 10 re-entry vehicle landings per year during a 4-year test period, beginning as early as 2025. While Rocket Lab pushes forward with Neutron development, they continue to maintain an impressive operational tempo with their smaller Electron rocket. During the first quarter of 2025 alone, they achieved a perfect 100% success rate across 5 launches. The company plans to conduct more than 20 launches throughout the year, representing a significant increase from their 14 launches in 2024 and 9 in 2023. Interestingly, the company has temporarily paused its reusability efforts for the Electron rocket to focus engineering talent on the Neutron program. As Beck explained, we had an extremely talented reuse team on Electron, and as we looked across the business and where our priorities lie, you really get a much bigger bang for your buck with all of those engineers working on Neutron and bringing their experience over there. With Neutron priced at approximately $55 million compared to Electron's $8.5 million, the economic rationale becomes clear. The development of point-to-point cargo transportation using rockets represents a paradigm shift in how we think about global logistics. As these technologies mature, we may soon witness the dawn of a new era in rapid global transportation, one where urgent supplies, critical components, or humanitarian aid can traverse the planet in a fraction of the time required by conventional aircraft. The implications for military operations, disaster response, and even commercial logistics could be truly transformative, making this an exciting space to watch in the coming years.